How to declutter your home in one weekend. This time of year, it feels so good to declutter your home. Like, get everything tidy so you can fully enjoy yourself within the walls of your home instead of your house feeling like a giant junk drawer. By following these steps, you are sure to come out with a totally decluttered and tidy home. Step 1, make a plan. I created a free guide to help you get started. You can download it where you are watching this video. I typically suggest decluttering by room. So start with your bedroom. Step 2, set a schedule. Once you have decided what rooms you're going to declutter, I suggest setting a schedule. Give yourself a reasonable amount of time to work on each room. Don't forget to schedule in meal breaks. I also recommend giving yourself some extra time just in case. Let's say a project takes longer than you anticipate. Give yourself extra time either in the middle of the day or at the end. This will help you stay on track. Step 3, gather the supplies. After you've created your plan and set a schedule, grab some supplies to make your declutter move quickly. I recommend creating a declutter caddy. A declutter caddy is a caddy that holds all the items you need to declutter. This will help you stay focused on decluttering instead of looking for supplies you need in the middle of a project. You can see everything I included in my declutter caddy below. Step 4, set a timer. On the first day of your entire home declutter, set a timer for your first room. Once the timer goes off, quickly finish up your project so you can move on to the next. If you are in the middle of a project, complete the current project before moving on to the next room. Step 5, group like items together. Group like items together and store them in a place that makes sense to you. When I work with a client to store items, we always think about the most effective and easy to locate places in your home. Keep things as easy as possible. Step 6, label. Finally, label everything you put away. This will help you keep up with your newly decluttered home. Now that you know the steps to take for how to declutter your home in an entire weekend, you can start planning for this weekend. More decluttering tips are shared below. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every week.